Hello friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and do not forget to press the bell icon. Welcome back to my channel friends, this is Sonia here and today I'm going to do my decoupage work on this pot with a different way. Like here, today I have planned to do loads of color blending technique. Now before we start our project, I just want to make this clear that in this video we are not going to do the typical, just the typical only decoupage work. I am going to do some really nice technique, so please do watch this video till the end. Now usually for prepping up my base and for a white base for my decoupage work, I always prefer to have gesso, but I'm running out of gesso friends, and yes, the problem is that it's locked down. Everything is closed down here in Bangalore, so you are not getting anything except the groceries, and so I'm unable to buy my supplies. So it's really difficult, and I really wanted to give a makeover to my flat pots. Like in my balcony I have a few plants and I really wanted to do a complete makeover of my pots. And this was like long back that I had bought so many plastic pots. Till the time I was not very much into this no plastic thing. So now when I already have it, I don't want to just throw it away and buy new ceramic pots. Like I would love to reuse this with some nice makeover, which also makes it looks better than just plain black or the brown color shade. So that's the reason I'm giving a nice makeover to all these pots. Now I'm going to cover this pot with my acrylic paint, and I'll be having good 2-3 coats of acrylic paint on my base.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, de doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter, de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer.
So this is a full-size napkin which I have, and I am going to use these flowers on my decoupage pot. So what I've decided is that I'm going to first trim this down and then I'll do the cutting work. Why I'm doing this? Because I have just thought that before doing my trimming work, I'll peel off the excessive plies from the backing, like all the extra plies, and this is just to make sure that it's easy for me and I don't have to like take out the plies of each and every flower piece. That will really save my time. So right now I'm just cutting down the half of the napkin, so that if required later on I can take the extra flowers from the remaining sheet. So I'll first remove the ply. Now if you are doing this step, you will have to make sure that whenever you are using your napkin, like for the trimming work, whenever you are doing the cutting of your designs, you will have to be really careful, because this is just one thin sheet of ply. Now here very quickly I'll trim down my designs.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, de doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter.
Now it's time to start with my decoupage work. Here I have my decoupage glue and here I have my napkins. Now I'm going to stick these on my pot. So I'm going to apply coat of DIY decoupage glue and I will start sticking my napkin. With the same brush, very quickly I'll give it a press and I'll make sure that it sticks well, and I'm going to repeat this process on my complete pot.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'enfer, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'enfer, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter.
So here my decoupage napkin has dried out and it's time to add up my varnish. So why I am adding up the varnish? So that later on when I add other mediums on this, that does not clubs with my napkin, because napkins are, of course, they are going to absorb it, whatever you put into on the top of it. So that's the reason I'm going to seal this up with my varnish. All the supplies what I'm using here, the links are mentioned down below with the list of items, so that it's easier for you, that whatever the names of items I've used is mentioned there. Now I will be playing around with the colors. So here is a yellow color chalk paint, and I think this matches really well with the shades which is already there on my jar. So what I'm going to do is I'll take up a flat brush. I'll do brush up of this water. I'm not using my spray bottle here for water, and quickly I'm going to smudge this. Now this is just to make sure that it blends in well with the existing decoupage napkin. Now it's time to add some more stems and leaves here. Now I have a green color which is not the same green color, and like I said, it's closed down, so I can't even go out and get the supply. So I've decided to try it out to make a color something similar to that one. Let me see. And I think I'll add my yellow color chalk paint to my blue and green. And yes, this shade looks good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my branches with this one.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer.
Now I want to add some more flowers, and here I'm using my orange color. This is neon orange. I'll just take a few drops of color here and I'll start making my flowers. Now it's time to add some stamping. Here I have my Kawal permanent ink pad and my customized script stamp. I'm just going to do some random stamping here and there. And I will seal up my project with my water-based varnish, and I'm going to do one very good coat of varnish. Varnish is to seal up your project. This is going to make sure that if you use it, you can clean them really well. You cannot wash this, like you can't just dip this in the bucket of water and then scrub it, but you can always clean this with a wet cloth, or you can wash it, like just quickly sprinkle the water, have your cleaning medium, the surf or the liquid, whatever you use, clean it quickly and then keep it for drying quickly. So yes, these are washables of course, but don't soak them in water for longer time, for a couple of hours, then that is definitely going to ruin this one. So yes, these are really easy and simple. Like in this way you can create varieties of design, and I really love the fact that I have use the pieces of my napkins really well, and it's looking beautiful. Also adding these hand painted leaves and flowers was an extra charm. So from the regular yellow and the pink colors, I have some nice peppy orange, and this looks really great. So of course I am going to link down all the supplies down below. It's already there, do check that. If you have any queries, please do comment below. I will be more than happy to help you all. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care. Bye bye.